My name is Neelam Farooq. Today we start biology class 10th. In this book, we first discuss the section number 3. Section number 3 is related to life processes. Life processes are basically the processes that are very much essential for the existence of living organism on this earth, and the life of living organism depend on these processes. In this section, we discuss 4 different chapters, one by one. First is the gaseous exchange, second homeostasis, third coordination and control, fourth sport and movement. First, we discussed about the gaseous exchange. Gaseous being different type of gases, exchange mean interchange. The interchanging of gases from animal body or human body to the outside of the environment is called gaseous exchange. In this chapter, we discuss 3 or 4 terminologies related to the gaseous exchange. Number 1 is the cellular respiration, second is the breathing, and third one is the gaseous exchange, which is the name of the chapter. Cellular respiration is basically a process in which the CH bond in food are broken by oxidation reduction reaction, and energy is transformed into ATP. If we talk about the oxidation and reduction, oxidation is losing of electron and reduction is the gaining of electron. And ATP is adenosine triphosphate, which is necessary for the activities of living organism. Cellular respiration are of 2 types, aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration, there is no need of oxygen, while in aerobic respiration there is a need of oxygen from the environment for the complete oxidation of the food material, and carbon dioxide and water are produced in this process. Cellular respiration is very much needed for the organism because it supplies food or oxygen to the cell level. And the carbon dioxide that is produced during cellular respiration is taken out from the cell and ultimately from the body. Next terminology is the gaseous exchange. Gaseous exchange is basically taking in of oxygen and given out of carbon dioxide is termed as gaseous exchange. Breathing is used for the process through which breathing is a terminology that is related to the animal. It is not related to the plant. Breathing is a terminology that is used by animal, and animal take air in their body to get oxygen from it and then given out air to get rid of the carbon dioxide. If we talk about the difference between the breathing and the cellular respiration, breathing is just a mechanical process in which your rib muscles, diaphragm and your lungs are taking part in it, while cellular respiration is basically a biochemical process which is taken place in the mitochondria of the cell, and it is an energy producing process, and it produces energy in the form of ATP, and it is also a mechanical process. Thank you very much. Today we discuss these things. Later on we discuss the next topic, that is gaseous exchange in plant. Allah Hafiz.